What's up? It's me, Jeremy, and we're back on Tapsules. Today I'm going to be teaching you the riff from the song Mood by 24kGoldn, or however you want to pronounce it. And so this is in the key of G, but it starts on the C. The riff starts on the C, but this whole song is in the key of G. So you're going to start by putting your index finger on the third fret of the A string. You mute the D and the G, and you put your pinky or the ring finger, whichever you prefer, on the B string of the 5th fret, and then you strum the whole thing twice. You strum it down, and then you take off your pinky and you take your middle finger and you place it on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you still muting the D and the G. This D and G will be muted the whole time, so you'll get this. And then you move 4 frets up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So you move the index to the 7th fret of the A string, and you bring your middle finger and place it on the 8th fret of the B string. So you slide across from here, right? So far we have. So I strummed this also twice. And this next shape is a bit difficult if you guys are beginners out there. For intermediate players, it'll be pretty simple. So it's a G major triad, and that is basically taking 3 notes of the chord and playing it. So this will be, your middle finger will be on the 4th fret of the G string, and with your index you will bar both the B and the high E on the 3rd fret. And if this is not necessary, but I like to use it, I put my thumb on the 3rd fret of the 6th string, and I strum this whole thing. So after you play this shape, you take your ring finger and you play the high E on the 5th fret, and then you slide it up to the 7th fret. Right, so far we have. Now this last chord is the D major chord, or the bar chord. I like to play it here on the 5th fret of the A string, and I bar across the D, G and the B string on the 7th fret. I bar it with my ring finger, but you can also play it as like this, like an A shape, where you take your middle finger, place it on the 7th fret of the D, ring finger, place it on the 7th fret of the G, pinky finger, place it on the 7th fret of the B string, and then, or you can play the normal D, whichever you prefer. So far we have. So that last part is. Alright, I'll play it for you slowly now so that you can follow along. And once you get it up to speed, it'll sound something like this. 2, 3, 4. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow us on our Instagram page. Link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.